What is up guys, this is Tito back with another video on this Realme Buds Air 7, and this TWS I have been using for about 6 months now. Yes, I have made an unboxing video, I have made a full review video on this TWS, but after 6 months of usage of this TWS, I would say the right side earbud is just simply not connecting sometimes, and this is a weird problem that I'm facing. But the good thing is the Realme Buds Air 7 comes with 1 year of warranty, so I will actually try to go to the service center and see what's the issue and if I get a replacement. So I'll try that, but let me just show you the problem that I'm facing first. So whenever I open the case here right now, as you can see, it has connected to only the left side, and this right side headphone, it's not connected. As you can see in the app, it shows not used, and if I open the lid of the case, and you will see that it is only showing the left earbud and the battery of the case, nothing else. As you can see, the right earbud simply doesn't show up over there, and there is no way you can actually turn it on from this headphones. So even tapping and holding or something like that doesn't work if it doesn't turn on after you pull it out from the case. So that's a little weird. And even right now, if I just put it inside the case and close the lid and reopen the case, yes, right now the right earbud actually shows up, but sometimes I have seen it's just not connecting. Let me just try to open it one more time. It is a lot more weird. As you can see, both the earphones doesn't show up in the app. Right now it doesn't show up anything. The left earbud only shows up right now and the case is battery, but the right side earbud simply doesn't show up right now. So these are the kind of issues that I'm facing, which is weird. So right now I'll just try to go to the service center and see what they say, and I'll let you guys know what happens there. Alright, so I actually went to the service center in the afternoon, and it took about more than an hour to actually fix this, and let me tell you what they did. And after visiting the service center, they actually asked me for the box and the warranty invoice, of course. So I just forwarded that from WhatsApp to them, and obviously they actually checked the box's serial number and everything. Well, obviously they have first asked me what happened and what's the issue. So I explained that the right earbud, it's actually not working. Yes, sometimes it was actually working, sometimes it wasn't. And after testing it for about 20 minutes, they agreed that yes, the right earbud was having issues. So what they did exactly? Well, they didn't actually provide me a whole new unit of the case and everything, but they actually provided a new right side earbud, and this whole thing is new. And actually, let me tell you that after using it, it feels like the right side earbud is actually a little bit more comfortable than how it was previously. But I don't know if they have changed anything else, but not sure. It looks same, but for me wearing it, it actually feels a little bit more comfortable. And right now, every time I put it in the case, and yes, as you can see, every time I put it into the case and pull it out, and every time right now it is actually working perfectly fine whenever I put it into the case and stuff. So yeah, I tested it, and let me tell you, when I paired it freshly on my device with this Realme Link app, it actually showed a new Realme Buds Air 7. So I deleted the previous one. So this was a new kind of device setup. I don't know how that worked, but yeah. And I checked the dual device kind of thing, this kind of section. It was actually not showing my other device. That's the Y4 Max laptop that I use. But I repaired it, of course, when I came home. And right now, everything is working fine with this TWS. So that's what I wanted to let you guys know. And the sound quality and everything, it's still same. It still sounds really amazing. And if you haven't actually checked out the review of the Realme Buds Air 7, you can check it out from the description or the cards, and even the unboxing if you'd like to. Now, let me talk about one more thing, that is like one minor difference that I have noticed here. If you're looking at it up close, if you see on the left side earbud, the L text actually is a little bit thin, I would say, and the R over here is a little bit more indented in my opinion. This is the newer one and this is the older one. So yeah, it might be just me, but yeah, this is what a minor difference that I have noticed. But definitely the right side earbud, while wearing it right now, I can say it's much more comfortable than how it was previously. I don't know how that's happening, but yeah, it is feeling like that. So hopefully it won't give me any more problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, and do share this video with your friends if you want them to know how in day-to-day life these newer kind of techs like TWS headphones and even smartphones and everything, how they actually serve you. From time to time, I do actually explain the experiences, what I get from service center, from overall using the devices and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.